We're gonna have popcorn for Halloween because it's a circus thing. What do they have at the circus?
I don't know. I just don't know this.
They have popcorn.
Oh, popcorn.
Not quite yet. There's a lot of stuff in here. Now, or has plastic and tape gotten like super like strong and you can't just tear it back in anymore, or I'm getting weaker. But no wonder this stuff doesn't biodegrade coming in.
What did you say? I didn't hear you. Say it again.
That's okay, baby. The scoops. Cuisinart.
Can I push it?
Not yet. Put it inside. Popper, hinge, the turntable there, extension cord, kernel, catcher down there, tilt the door. You ready to try it? You ready to try it?
Yeah. These are scissors?
Yes, those are scissors actually. Give me that. This. Oh, you like it?
Yes, it smells good. Yes, it smells good.
What does it smell like?
It smells like banana. It tastes banana.
It's coconut, baby.
Yeah.
Yeah, there's it spinning. All right, now we're getting somewhere. Okay, we're gonna put some. Leave it.
I just want to keep looking at it.
Because it's gonna get hot, baby.
It's gonna get hot out here.
This is gonna get hot. See? It has a hand. No hand, no touch. There we go. Turn it. There, can you see? Let it go. There we go.
I just want it moving.
We can't, baby. Well, we won't be able to leave it open the whole time. All right.
I just want to leave
Here's
it
one
like
more.
that. I just want to leave it like that.
We can't, baby.
Ouch.
Did you get hurt? Was it hot? Ooh, it is hot. Okay, I need to close it now. Are you okay?
Yes. Just fall asleep. That was sweet.
Yeah. it?
Can we taste it?
Yeah, we can taste it.
Can you taste it?
Yeah, grab it. You can taste it. You like it?
Should we taste those ones?
No, those are probably hot. Let's wait till they get a little cool.